Alright folks, welcome back to another CAD modeling time, or I should say CAD design. Alright, today's session we're going to do a simple glass case where I can put my glass in when I'm not using them. So it will be a simple one, maybe a little bit complex because I'm going to add some magnets to help for the cover, so the magnet can kind of be a little bit like use as a sticker to kind of clap the cover on top of that. First step, you need to create a new file. We're using FreeCAD, and then we're going to sketch. So we're going to click on the sketch. Before that, we just create the body as always, and we're going to create a sketch. Also, I made some measurement for these sections as usual. The height will be 160, and the diameter will be 40 since we're using a cylindrical form. Also, we'll do also the slicing and then the pointing, of course. So I'm going to go and select the plane and go with the SY, yep. And we'll go for the base first, which is a circle with 40. I'm looking at my data sheet in here, and we have 40 as the diameter. So I can close it up and pad it up. For the height, we have 160 millimeter, of course, and then click OK. Let me center this now, so a bit tall. Maybe I can zoom a little bit out. Alright, next step I'm going to make a hole on this one. There's two ways I can use it. I can use the thickness, or I can just make another sketch on top of this. So let's go for the sketch, and then we'll make a new circle. So we want the thickness to be around, let's say 2. The outer diameter was a 40, so if we want the thickness to be 2, we should go like a 40. No, not 40, like 38. Let me know if that's the right number. Is 48. If you think 48 is the right number, I think you're wrong. I learned it the hard way. It should be 46 since we're using the diameter. If it was the radius, that would be like a 48 as usual, but here since we're using the diameter, it should be 4, so we have 2 on the other side and 2 on the other side. So here it should be 36, okay, since we're using the diameter. Okay, 46, the outer was 40, so that's good. So we have 2 millimeter thickness. So I'm gonna close this and make a pocket. So the height is 160. I want 2 millimeter thickness from the base, so that one will be 158 since the height is 160. Alright, now we have a hole. Maybe we can do it the easy way. We can use the thickness, just close this hole, no more sketch. We can just delete this little sketch from over here, and then click on this guy and click on the thickness. Okay, choose this one. I'll come over here, they're kind of same. And we want the thickness of the word to be 1.5. I was thinking about 2, but let's go 1.5. It's way better. I'm gonna save me some filaments when I'm printing, so go 1.5. That's good. Alright, next step, we need a place to put those magnets. We have 10 by 3 millimeter magnets, kind of cylindrical. I'm gonna put them. I need 4 of them, so I'm gonna put one here, one in here, and one in here, and the last one right here. So what I want to do is create a new sketch on this face. So I need to zoom in to be able to click to select this. Okay, let's get out. Select that one. Hopefully I select that one, then create a new sketch of that. Alright, I'm gonna create a circle which will be right in there, and here, and there, and there. So we're going to circle. We need 4 of them. The magnet is 10 by 2 millimeters. So for the diameter, we go 2.25 for some clearance. So I added 25 millimeter for the clearance. 10.25, and right here too. Let's go 10.25. And for the last one, 10.25. I know it's kind of a lot of work, but I think we can just do copy and paste. But sometimes I get a really terrible behavior of the copy and paste, so we'll do it this way. Alright, so I got my 3 circle right there. what I want to do is put them in the center of the space between those two. And I have no idea how to do that, but let's see. Maybe we can leave it the way it is. It already look fine. Okay. Otherwise, I have to do some add some constraint between this guy and this guy, this button, and this one. This one. It's kind of a lot of work, so I'm not doing that. So let's close it up and okay, we're gonna close it, and then we're gonna pad them up. Alright, here we go. Now we got 4. We don't want to go up, we want them to go down. So what should we do? We click on the reverse and send the height is 180, no, 160. We go 160, just like that. And then we have 4 pillar like couples. Let me see the bottom one. Let me see if I can. Okay, that's not good. Is that the bottom? Yep. Alright, let me slip it back. Let me zoom it out and see the bottom. So we got it right there. It looked a little bit ugly. I mean, not ugly. It looked fine just to me. We need those 4 pillars to add the magnet. Maybe I should have done only 2. I don't know. Let's think about it. 4 look fine. Let's just stick to 2. Alright, you know what? We'll have the 4. We'll have the 4. I could just make the wall a little bit thicker as the circle that I added, but that wouldn't cut it. It would be a little bit too big, and I don't want to put it in the. That's the work of an engineer. You know, you gotta think about how to not waste the material. So I wanted to use less material as possible. So that's why I'm adding those two, so we can insert those magnets inside instead of having a thick wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and then create the little body so we can put in and then cut those 4 pillars. So I'm gonna create this body. Since we don't need it anymore for now, so I'm gonna create a new body right away and then create the sketch. We can close the big eye guys first, and we'll make the sketch for this. This guy look really weird. I don't get it. Let's go in the front. Maybe the back is what I see. Okay, that's what I'm gonna select. There we go. Now let's just center this back. Maybe let's go with the front. What's the front, man? Maybe we should go back and then go for a new sketch. Okay. Alright, let me select this plane. SYZ. Select it here. Click OK. There we go. Now we need to close this guy. Then make a little sketch in here, make a circle again. You know what I should have done? Let's clear this body first. We don't need this one. And then come over here and change this guy a little bit. Okay, within the sketch, we're going to change the sketch a little bit. Let's open the body first. I'm gonna add a constraint so it will make my life way easier than before. So we add a constraint between this guy and this guy. Let's add a constraint vertical ones. Let's say that's 19. Okay, let's say 19.5. Okay, 19.5. Maybe not good. Okay, maybe let's stick to 19. It's a little bit off in there. Let's go 19. Okay. Alright, that's 19. Okay, we'll do the same thing for these guys. So select this one and this one. This one, let's go vertical. No, that's horizontal. This is L. So go with 19. With my life way easier. Put another one here. So I'm gonna select this one and this guy. Okay, so I didn't select them. So these dots and this one, and then go vertical one, which is I believe is I. No, yeah, vertical is I, and then we'll go 19. Okay, and then this one, last one. This is horizontal. horizontal. Oh shit, what the heck I've done? Let's go Control Z. Okay, let me center this back. Alright, we need to select this one and this one. Go L. Okay, we go 19. Alright, now let's close it up. Okay, now it should be really centered. Now let's create a new second body in here and then create a sketch. Let's use the SY. And then we'll make a circle. So the circle, okay, I think I made a tiny mistake on the other circle one. This one should be okay. Let's see. This is the one I'm gonna be cutting through the other one. So let's go 10.5. It doesn't matter. Let's go 10.10. Okay, 10.10. Oh shit. We have issue here. I don't like that. Okay, the dimension are not good. I don't know why. Something went off. Okay, let's see. 2 millimeter window. Okay. Okay, let's go to this sketch now. Alright, I'm trying to center this guy, but it's not responding. Okay, make a circle. Look like my piece is kind of freezing or something. That's impossible. Let me close this guy first. And then come here. Okay, you know what? Let's delete this guy first. I'm gonna delete it. Let's delete the body, the whole body, because I'm kind of having some behavior I don't understand. Okay, create a new body, and then let's go for the sketch now. SYZ, right? Okay. The dimension not good. I don't know why I'm having like a dimension not good. Something's wrong. Alright, we need to create a circle on this one. First we'll go right here. Maybe 10.10. Okay, maybe 10.15. I don't know. 10.15. Let's get. Oops. 10.15. Let's click OK. Alright, let me zoom in. Then go this way and right here. This is gonna be will be 19. Okay. Okay, what's the seem to be the errors? I don't know. I want to constrain this guy, this one, and this guy. I need a distance for that to be 19. Alright, so I'm looking for. Okay. Now we're gonna close it and make it bad. The height of the magnet is 2.5, so here is 2. Okay, 2. So we go here, let's say 2.25. So we give it 25.25 millimeter. clearance. Okay, there we go. Now we have a body. What we need to do is copy this one and paste it 4 times because we need 4 of them. Let's see, I'm gonna copy, Ctrl C, click OK, and then paste it. 1, 2, 3. We have 3, so we already have the original, which make a total of 4. So what we need to do is go back to this guy and then select one of our body. So we're gonna move this one around a little bit so it can sit right here, so we can cut it inside one of those. So first of all, it's already 9. Okay, no big deal. We can move it around, so we just need to click on it and go to positions, like placements. Go to the positions, go for the Z. Let's try to make it 65 so it's up there. See that? That's pretty amazing. So what we need to do is get it down to, I don't know. Alright, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. I think it's in. So we want to have a 1 millimeter up so the magnet can kind of react, we can be able to create what I call it, magnet field. So let's go, it was 160, let's go 159. 159, maybe not, it's not cutting it. They have 160, doesn't it? Okay, let's go for the first one. I don't know, let's go for the top here. So I'm center this one back. This is really complex, I don't understand it. I don't know, some things are quite off somehow. Alright, center back, center back, center the back, center the back. Maybe we should go wireframe mode so I can see what's going on here. Let's go wireframe mode. Here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in until we get some really nice. Okay, the front lobe. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in. Oh, that's a little bit far inside. This is a little bit out, still upper. Let's drop it down. Maybe I should go like a 7. 70.5. Oh shit. 90, nope. Just 8. Okay. 8, it's still out. Let's go 7.5. 7, and then go 5 right here. Too much inside. Yeah, I should do it. 7.5. That's good. For this one and this one, so I'm gonna cut it out. Alright, I'm gonna place the other 2. Right now we have only 1. Let's move the second one too, which is the bottom right there. I needed to move it right here, so how do we do that? We're gonna find the position of this one so we can move it around. Because s equals 0, 0 positions. Okay, that's not promising. Okay, I don't know. Alright. Let's work on the second one. It's main positions. Alright. Let's move it up 160. There we go. Now I'm gonna move it down here. So it's going to travel, let's say 18 multiplied by 2, 19 multiplied by 2, 19 multiplied by 2, 48. So for the x-axis we'll go, that's not s, okay, it should be y then. Okay, y, oh, interesting. Okay, that should be 48 minus 48. Alright, I think it made it though. Now we just need to drop it down to, I don't know, let me see for the second one. Let me just copy this value and just paste it for the second one. And then we're gonna paste it right there. There you go. Perfect. Now we're done. We go for the third one. For the third one, we'll go for the height first. Okay, 180 right there. What is it? Okay, it's right there. So we need to move it right here. So I'm gonna move it from here to the middle and then move it right there. So go 19. Okay, let's add 19 first. Alright, 19. Did I move it? Nope, move it 19 backward too. Nope, maybe minus 19. Let's get it up, minus 19. There we go, perfect, sitting there. Alright, the fourth. I'm gonna place the fourth too. There we go. It's right there. Now we need to move it. Let's say 19. Push it. Okay, maybe not 19 here, minus 19. Okay, and go here, 19. Up, minus 19. Alright, that's it. Now we have everything in place now, so let me just center the whole object. And that's all we have to do. Let's go back to object as objects. And what I need to do, select the main object. So we select the main object and we click on control, we select everything and then we cut. So we go to Pro Design and then we cut. What the hell? I can cut it. Let's see. I need this one. I can cut this one. So maybe we'll do one step at a time. Alright, let's cut. Okay, that's good. Let's select the body again and then select this one and then cut again. And then select this one and cut again. And select this one and select this one and then cut again. Okay, center back. So at this point, I think we have a hole around all of them. Let me try to change the view and see wireframing. Maybe not that. Wireframing. At this point, I think we have a hole inside each of them. As it is. Alright, see, it's looking good. Let me change to go to shading. Oh, not shading. Maybe let's see something else. Hiding shadow. Okay, I think we have a hole in all holes, so we should be good. Alright, let's go back to the body, part design, and then change the view to as is. Alright, I think that will be for the base, and yeah, we can print this one already. And next time we're going to design the cover for that. For the cover, I'm going to go ahead and then create a new body. Let's go this one up. Yeah, we go for the body. Okay, I'm gonna go for the sketch. I'm gonna go for this plane, SY, and then click OK. Alright. I don't like this measurements. I don't know. Let's move it. Okay, body. Alright, now we're going to design the cover for this. I'm going to make it circle as usual, 40mm. Alright, click OK, and then we're going to pat it to be the same height as the magnet. So we go 10. This is 2mm. Let's go 2.5. So the 0.25 will be for the clearance. Alright, that's good. So we're going to place 4 magnets on this plate. How do we do that? We'll make a new sketch on here, and then we're going to design a sketch and kind of move it around. I'm not sure if this is going to work because I need to cut it through. So you know what? We'll create a new body. That's what we can do. Okay. Let's just create a new body right here. Okay. Let's set the same plane. XYZ, and there we go. We can kind of close this one out. You know what? Maybe creating a body is not a good idea. now I want to create an empty on those guys, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Well, we need to create a new body and then do as I did before, or find another way. You know what, let's do it as we did it before. I should have kept one copy of the other one, but now I'm gonna do it from scratch again. Alright, no big deal. I'll make a circle. That was 10.15, I believe. If it's not, I guess I'm screwed. So let's go with 10.15, and that's it. Nope, that's not good. I want it to be in the middle. Let's step this one to be fully constrained. 10.15. I'm still not God. Alright, what am I doing wrong? For God's sake. 10.15. Still not. I don't know why. Get this thing out of my face. Okay, maybe not. Oh shit. Okay, this is the body. Go to sketch. Let's see. Okay, let's close this guy. And then close this middle guy. 10.15. Close it. Okay, let's focus on. That's good. Close it. We're gonna put it at 2.25. 25 will be for clearance. Okay. Let me see. I'm doing something wrong here. Is this one? No. Oh, you know what? I still have the body here. I could just come in here and then copy it out, but you know what? What I do? Let me just create this word. Okay. So I'm gonna repeat this one. I'm gonna copy 3 of them. Copy, paste, copy, and then paste it. Okay, okay, that's good. I need to change one thing on this one. I don't know how high it was. Let's go 2.5. 50 here. Okay, much better. Okay. So I'm gonna copy this guy. Okay, paste it 3 times. Paste 2, 3. Alright, now we need to move it around a little bit. And this one too. That's the first one. This we're gonna move it to 19. Nope, not this one. Oh, okay. This one will be 0.25. 0.25 is good. For this Y, I don't know about X. Maybe not. Maybe not. Problem here. I'm gonna go ahead and resize this guy a little bit. We need it to be 50 so the thing can get inside. It was 40, right? So let's go 50 so it can get inside. Quick, okay. And then close it. So we have these guys inside, not outside. I'm not really liking the position. What is that? Now let's see if we can try to move it a little bit down or up. 0.25. Oh shit. Okay, that's not good. We don't want to move this one, we want to move this guy. So 0.25 and then it's perfect. Let's go to the second one. We're gonna move it 0.25 and then we'll move it to the other one. Minus 19. So it'll be opposite. That's good. We'll move the other one too. This guy. 19. Let's go 0.25. And then let's try to move this one 119. We're going 25. Let me have the left face. Okay. Instead of going 25, we might go like let's say 70, a little bit up. Let's go 10, or you know what we can do? Just increase this one. Okay, we just need to increase the other one and we should be good to go as it is. Okay, that's it. We just need to increase this body. Here we have 2. Let's go 5, 3. Okay, we go 3. Simple as that. And there we go. Everything is now inside. Perfect. Take it, this one too, and then make it cut. Okay. Okay. Now let's go wireframe to make sure everything's working right. Alright, we got all 4 right there. Let's go back to as is. Take a cuts. Take this one, make the cuts. Take that and take this one, make it cuts. Take this one and take that and make it cuts. Alright, now we have the cover and we have the body right here. See, pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. I know the cover kind of a little bit off, but it's okay. I know I could do a better job on that one, but hey, it's already looking good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and print them out. So we have 2 objects to import, this and that. This is the base and this is the cover. Let's go ahead and kind of move a little up there and see what we have. You can go transform and then move it up and just like that. So we're gonna have something like this at the end. Okay, see that? Looking good. So put my glass in and then close it up. Pretty nice. Alright, let's go ahead and then stop in we're gonna go ahead and import those 2 files and then we'll do the slicing right after that.